Hey, just came down this path. I was exploring campus and came to a dead end. I hear all these ruffling in the trees and stuff. It's pretty scary. The bugs are like fucking huge here. If you can see this, but the river's down there. Let's see if I can get a better view. It's kind of hard to see on this camera. It's focused too good. It's the Mount Hollow River or something. Anyway, been on campus, just relaxing, thinking about you. Listening to that song you had on your YouTube channel. What's your favorite? I think it's John Mayer, City Love. I like that song. It's a really good song. I'm trying to download it, but I couldn't find it. I'm like, they're a construction site or something. Or they're about to do construction. I don't know. Big pile of dirt. I haven't gone out to see the stars yet. Wonder how they look at nighttime. I'm usually inside playing around. TV kills everything. TV kills my life. This would be like the worst path to walk in at nighttime. Don't worry, I'm not going to walk in this path like the middle of the night. Or am I? Nah. Unless there's something happening over here. Doubt it though. It's cool to explore though. I saw like a deer. But sometimes I don't like getting near trees though. There's a lot of bugs. What you been up to? I've just been listening to music, playing games with my friends, mostly video games, watching TV. I had like one good friend so far. His name's David Fettigan. Nice Caucasian kid. It's like you're having fun with your friends. And Rosemont. Oh, that's not good. That's not good at all. It's a Nazi sign right there. I don't know if you can see that. Ooh, it's a very thin spider web. Wonder if you can see it. You see it? Ooh, it's really long too. Stretches from right there to all the way down there. So your phone broke, right? That sucks. Hopefully I get that phone in my dorm before you get a new one. I wonder when that alumni money is gonna come out. I really need that shit. Sometimes I'm thinking about buying a good pair of clippers. Shape up my face and back of my neck. What is this? It says The Wall of Pain. The Wall of Pain. Oh, dedicated to past and future police academies. Okay. Endure and conquer. I don't even know what this is. This just looks like a little playground to me. They probably can make this complicated for the police somehow. Well, police students or ones in the police academy. Anyway, I just want to do a vlog or a video blog before I go back to my dorm and study, because I couldn't get the one yesterday. It was too dark at night. I was near the fountain. And it was making a lot of noise. I didn't realize though, and so I tried to upload the video. Anyway, I love you, and I'll see you later. Okay, babe? Bye, MEP.